This Infinix came in for a screen repair, a screen change. So you have to lose the phone, you have to open it up. If you don't know this phone, this is Infinix Smart 3. So we are opening it up. Please don't be offended in how we are trying to be fast with the process. I'm just making it this way so that the video can be as short as I can make it. While opening the screen, here we find out that the previous engineer did a mess of a work. He messed the whole phone up. Look at the kind of gum he put inside a phone just to fix screen. Messing the whole motherboard up and the flame up. So you have to clean the flame. So we have to enter into a process of cleaning the frame so that you can restore it to its original factory default. That is also using some gum remover to remove some of the gums. Wasn't easy, but it's worth it at the end of the day. So you will see how at the end of the day all this worth it, because we put a smile on the customer's face, and that smile matters more than any other thing. This is the reason why I always recommend for you to look for a good engineer, a good technician who knows the whereabouts of your phone, because your gadget is like your day-to-day life, so you handle it with care. You give it to somebody who knows what he's doing, technician who understands the language and speaks it very well, so that he will do a clean job for you instead of him stressing you. You can see now the panel is almost the frame is almost restored. Check it out. Look at the frame now. It's coming out new, like factory default. And we'll fix all the loose end and make it look clean. Look at it.